Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this miniature coffee table for my living room. It's super easy and all you need are lollipop sticks. The ones I'm using today are 3/4 of an inch in width, so slightly wider than your usual lollipop stick, but you can find them in any craft store. So to begin with, measure and cut 3 lollipop sticks 3 inches in length. This is going to create the top of our coffee table. Using sandpaper, sand down the rough edges that you have just cut. Using wood glue, glue each piece alongside each other. Whilst this dries, we can focus on making the other pieces. For this we will need more lollipop sticks. Like we did before, cut another 3 lollipop sticks 3 inches in length and glue them alongside each other to create the bottom of the table. For the size of the table, measure and cut 6 pieces 1.5 inches in length. Again, sand down the edges you have just cut and then glue them together in 2 groups of 3 alongside each other. Once everything is dry, sand over it again to smooth out the joints. Everything is ready to be glued together. Starting with the side, glue it to the top of the coffee table, making sure that the panels line up. Next, glue the bottom followed by the side. As you can see, the top of my coffee table is thicker than the bottom. This part I forgot to record, so I will just explain it instead. Measure and cut a piece of wood 2 by 3 inches and glue it to the underside of your top piece. This will help strengthen the coffee table as well as help differentiate between the top and the bottom. Now the coffee table is built, we will sand it again to smooth over the joints and then we can add the finishing touches. Today I will be using a wood stain to help darken my coffee table. And this is when I realised I just spilt it everywhere. If you don't have wood stain, you can use paint and water mixed together. I did this in my herringbone floor tutorial, so check that out if you want to see what I did. Once the wood has completely soaked up the stain, I will be using Mod Podge to give it a finish. Mod Podge will help seal the wood as well as give it a shine, which I really like. Once your layer of sealant has dried, you have made it to the end of the tutorial and you should have a complete miniature coffee table. Mine is going straight in my living room. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week for the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!